elections.
With the notification of the first phase of election for Bihar Assembly polls, the political temperature in the state is surging north. BJP became the first of the bloc to name candidates for elections, putting out a list of 43 names. Party has also intensified and sharpened its attack on Lalu Prasad Yadav and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Launching a scathing attack on Bihar Chief Minister, Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said those who do politics in the name of Ram Manohar Lohia have destroyed his legacy by aligning with Congress in Bihar polls.
भारतीय जनसंघ के अलावा और उसके बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अलावा कोई मूलतः कांग्रेस विरोधी थे तो लोहिया जी के समर्थक थे। और आज मैं देखता हूं कि लोहिया जी के नाम पर राजनीति करने वाले रोज शाम को 4 बजे एआईसीसी दफ्तर चले जाते हैं उनके साथ संयुक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने के लिए। जो विरासत लोहिया जी ने छोड़ी थी इनके लिए, उस विरासत को इन्होंने अपमानित कर दिया।
Stressing that NDA will register its victory in Bihar Assembly polls, Finance Minister said that the results of Assembly polls in Bihar will be a repeat of the Lok Sabha elections. Citing the recent World Bank's survey on state-wise ease of doing business ranking, Finance Minister said that the debate on development model in Bihar has ended as the data speaks for itself.
वर्ल्ड बैंक ने कहा कि हम बताओ कि इस देश में व्यवसाय करना किस राज्य में सरल है, विच इज द ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इन इंडिया। तो स्वाभाविक था गुजरात नंबर 1 था। मेरे मित्र नीतीश जी बार बार कहते हैं विकास पे बहस करो, बहस क्या करें। गुजरात मॉडल नंबर 1 पे आया, बिहार 21वें नंबर पे आया।
Arun Jaitley was speaking in a program Panch Kranti organized by Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday. Besides Jaitley, Union Minister of State for Sports Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister Rajiv Pratap Rudy, BCCI Secretary Anurag Thakur, among other leaders were present in the program. The polls for 243-member Bihar Assembly will be conducted in 5 phases starting from 12th October and the results are to be announced on 8th of November. Rajesh Raj's report.